Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about the meaning of cookies. Okay. So we'll start the theoretical part first and then we'll have one simple program just to how to create a cookie. Okay. So a cookie is a small file with the maximum size of 4 KB that the web server stores on the client computer. Okay. Once the cookie has been set, all page requests that follow returns the cookie name as well as its value. Two things. One is cookie name and value. A cookie can only be read from the domain that it has been issued from. For example, a cookie set using the domain www.sbmp.ac.in cannot be read from the domain career.sbmp.ac.in. Most of the website on the internet display the elements from other domains such as advertising. The domains serving this element can also set their own cookies which are known as third-party cookies. A cookie created by a user can only be visible to them. Other user cannot see its value. And the last point, most of the web browser have the option for disabling these cookies like third-party cookies or both. If this is the case, then PHP respond by passing the cookie token in the URL. Next is how it works. Three steps. Cookie enabled page request. So user request for a page that stores what? Cookies. Second point, server set cookies. That means the server will set the cookies on user's computer. And the third point, other page request. Other page request from the user will return the cookie name and its value. So why and when to use cookies? HTTP is stateless protocol. So cookies allow us to track the state of the application using the small files stored on the user's computer. The path where the cookies are stored depends on the browser. For Internet Explorer, they are using temporal internet files folder. Okay. Personalizing the user experience. This is achieved by allowing user to select their preferences. The page requested that follow are personalized based on the set preference in the cookies. Then tracking the page visited by what? User. So now we will have one simple example how to set a cookie. Okay. So this is nothing but the program where we are using set cookie, which is PHP function to create a cookie. First is the username. That means here you have to create a cookie name. Okay, we are writing user underscore name. Then second parameter, it is cookie value, which is also mandatory or compulsory. We have to write till what time you want, like it will expire after what 60 seconds. And after that, in case if you want more parameters, then we can have a domain name, subdomain name, etc. So many things are there. And we are printing one message, the cookie has been set for 60 seconds. And echo break a line. If you want, you can write, otherwise it is not required actually. Okay. Save, Control S. And there is one more file, okay, that is demo.php, which we are going to use. So here you all can see we have only one statement, print underscore r and dollar underscore cookie. What is the meaning of this is nothing but it is used to display outputs the content of the cookie array variable. Okay, so we'll quickly execute this. Okay, first of all we are going to execute demo.php file. That means this file where we are printing. Okay, and when you will execute this demo.php, you will find array function right now. Okay, now we'll write localhost slash hello world.php. So cookie has been set for what? 60 seconds. We'll go to previous tab and we'll click on the refresh button. See what we are getting. Array user underscore name, and what name we are getting, value is what? SBMP, whatever we have set. Okay. So we'll keep on refreshing this and we'll wait, I think, for 1 minute or you can say 60 seconds. And then again we will refresh that page, that is demo.php, and again you will get what? Only array and function empty bracket. So we'll wait for now, I think 30 to 40 seconds more, and you all can see this is demo.php and this is hello world.php. Okay, this is our username and this is its value, and from here we are printing cookie array variable. So I think we have to wait for some more time. Okay, so now it's done. 60 seconds are done. See, it is now showing only array. Again, if you will go over here and if you will refresh this page, again you will get answer as username and its value, which is SBMP. So that is all about just the overview or introduction to cookies. Thank you everyone.